In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Telegram monetization in channel. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is head over and open your Telegram application. Now from here, open your channel. So this is the test channel that I have created. So simply tap on the channel, just like so. Now you should see this channel settings. So you won't see any monetization option here. The more settings. Also, you won't see any monetization option right here. So we want to tap on boost channel. First, you want to take note that the Telegram monetization is only you can activate it when you have reached at least 1,000 subscribers in your channel. So if you haven't reached this specific requirement, you won't be able to use the Telegram monetization feature. So if in any case you already have a thousand subscribers in your Telegram channel, you should see an option or setting right here that says monetization. And from there, you can get the ad revenues and convert it to real money or cash. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.